Alright, so today I'm going to try to show you how to create a quiz using a Google form. And so you're going to start out at your Google Drive. You're going to go up to the New button and come all the way down to Google Forms. And you're going to create a blank quiz. Once that loads, you're going to title your blank quiz whatever your birth defect name is. So let's say it was Down syndrome and then quiz. Okay? So whatever your, this could be Tay-Sachs, this could be fetal alcohol syndrome, whatever your birth defect name is, that's what you put there. Okay? What I don't want is the title of your quiz to be birth defect quiz, okay? Because then we'll have 10 of those. I want it to be whatever the name of your birth defect is. And so then that will automatically pop up here. You don't have to do a form description. Your first question needs to be, what is your name? So what is your first and last name? And so change this to short answer. And so what is your first and last name? Question mark. That'll be a short answer. Notice it's required. They must answer it. And there are no points assigned for that. Okay? So that's always the first question. To add another question, you just click on the box. And then you will type in whatever your question is. Let's say, whatever your question is. If you want it to be multiple choice, then you're going to add, whatever option, answer choice you want here. You can add another one, and a fourth one. At least 4 answer choices on a multiple choice question. And then make sure it's required. You can go to the answer key, and this is where you will assign points. So if there's 5 questions, they'll be worth 20 points each. And let's say that option 2 is the correct answer choice, and then you click done. Okay, and so that will grade for you when you go to grade this. Okay, so you'll need you can do a different type question. You might want to do something that has a short answer. You might want to do something that has where you check the box, whatever your choice is. I don't know that this does matching very well. The only way you, I don't think it'll do matching. If you wanted to do a true-false, you could put, this is true, this is false, stuff like that. All right, so settings. Up here where it says settings, you're going to make this a quiz. All right, you want to release the grades immediately after each submission. And unless you have essay questions, then you would want to click later after manual review because you have to grade those by hand. You will want to let them see which ones they missed and their correct answers. And then when it goes to responses, always have copy or collect email addresses and allow response editing. We do not want you to be able to edit it afterwards. We are going to restrict it to users in Lexington ISD. You don't necessarily have to limit it to 1 response, but you could if you wanted. Here, you're going to show the progress. I would not shuffle the question order. Just leave it all in the same order. And then you don't need a link because they're only going to submit it 1 time. And you don't need them to view the summary results. And so that's all you need to do for that. And then if you wanted to send this, you could send it via email. You could copy a link, shorten the link, copy that, and then we could use that. You're going to upload this form into the Google Classroom assignment for your quiz right here, which is the quiz over birth defects research. I shared it with 10 people, not the same 10 that I shared the presentation with. So you will have to share editing privileges with your partner so that they can work with you on this.